Good morning, this is Kelley from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here looking at our Golden Delight shawl, which is this month's Knit Club project. And if you look at it here, I'm wearing it. Do you see how beautiful it is? Anyway, this shawl is fantastic, and it's using two beautiful colorways. And one is by a yarn by Noro, and it's this golden color, and it is a silk, bamboo, polyamide, and cotton blend, equal proportions of each, just about. And this was really fun to knit with, and it's oh so soft. It makes for a nice summertime shawl because it's not super hot. And then we have this beautiful yarn by Louisa. It's called Amitola. It's an 80-20 blend of silk and wool. And it has the long color changes, so you kind of almost get that find your fade into another color very gradually, subtly, and beautifully. So you look here at the shawl. It has a lot of garter stitch, and these nice little detail sections are made by dropping yarn overs. So you get to learn how to read your knitting and identify the knit stitches, so you knit the knit stitches and you drop the yarn over. So you also get this wonderful slip stitch edge that we're going to be working on. And we also carry our yarns all the way up the side. So you learn how to carry yarns. So at the end, you only have your beginning yarns that you very first knit with, those tails, and then the very end, after you've bound off, you'll have two. But other than that, there are not very many ends at all to weave in. So you learn how to do that because I teach it. And this detail here is a nice little lace section. It's done with binding off 7 stitches, and then you put the picot right over the top of those bound off stitches. Isn't that darling? And it's beautiful on both sides. So nearly a reversible shawl, cooler weather, a little bit cooler to wear, and definitely enjoyable to knit. An easy knit this month, so you'll have a nice relaxing time and you'll be able to finish it very quickly. So that's totally awesome. Also, we've included this handy dandy little notions case. Do you see the alpaca on it? It's so cute. I love it. And this is a very good quality little case. And if you look inside, you can put your different stitch markers in here, or you could use it as a pill case, or you can use it for whatever you like. But do you see how it has a mirror on the back? It's totally awesome. So I hope that you enjoy this month's Knit Club as much as I enjoyed knitting it. And I will be talking to you soon through those videos. So those will get released soon. And happy knitting.